Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into VWO A B testing dashboard, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the VWO login page in your web browser. You can enter the URL directly or search for VWO login in your preferred search engine. Once you arrive at the login page, look for the fields where you can enter your credentials. Input your registered email address in the designated email field. Next, move on to the password field. Carefully enter your password, ensuring there are no typos. If you need assistance with your password, click on the Forgot Password link. This will allow you to reset your password via the email associated with your account. After you've entered your email and password correctly, locate the Login button. Click the Login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the VWO A B testing dashboard. In case you encounter any errors, double-check your email and password for accuracy. If you're still having issues, consider clearing your browser cache and cookies before trying again. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. You'll find various tools and features at your disposal to begin your A/B testing journey. Explore the options available to set up your tests and analyze your data. Congratulations, you're now logged into the VWO A B testing dashboard and ready to get started. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.